Modern scales often calculate mass from force, but an equal arm balance compares masses directly, showing the fundamental principle of measurement. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use an equal arm balance properly and how to determine the mass of an object with a known measurement uncertainty. Even though this is a classic laboratory instrument, the principle behind it is still fundamental in physics. Let's begin. First, release the equal arm balance. It must be in equilibrium before measuring. The pointer should ideally be centered between the blue and red scale markings. If it is not, adjust the screws to shift the center of mass of the left and right arms until equilibrium is reached. However, you can still perform measurements even if the pointer is slightly shifted to one side. In that case, its initial position becomes your reference equilibrium position. To measure the mass of an object, place the object on one pan of the balance. Then, gradually add weights to the other pan until the pointer returns to the equilibrium position. In this case, the mass of the object is approximately 45.9 grams. We can also verify the result using a digital scale. The smallest weight used is 0.1 grams, so the maximum measurement uncertainty is plus or minus zero point 0.1 grams. Now you know how to properly use an equal arm balance and determine mass with defined measurement uncertainty. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical physics and lab tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.